Yo, what's going on, guys? We're back again with another video. Hope you guys are doing well. I'm doing all right now. Finally, my neighbor's done with constructions. No more loud noises in the background. Sounds like construction sex or something. So we back again with another video. This time, we're gonna switch it up. Actually, we're gonna do top 5 or like my fave 5 outfits to do with 5 different New Balance models. Because you know, New Balance right now, it's killing it, dude, killing it. If you don't already own a pair of New Balances, own one, man. Like, super comfortable, super like stylish. Like, you couldn't imagine saying that like 5-10 years ago, but now New Balance, everything. New Balance all day, every day. Amy Leon door, Kif, don't matter. Could have holes in it, don't matter. But yes, I know New Balance is making a killing right now, and I decided like it'd be a cool idea to do a 5 outfits video for 5 different models, and hopefully you can add that to your wardrobe of like just like a blueprint. You can copy it. You can copy it like, you know, shirt for shirt and all that, or clothes for clothes. But it just gives you like a blueprint on how to style like certain types of New Balances. Obviously, you might think some of them are trash. I'm okay with that, man. You can also comment down what your favorite outfit and what your favorite model is, or you can just say I'm a piece of shit. Either way is fine with me. So yes, we're bringing you another video right here about my 5 outfits for 5 different models, and we'll get started on the first outfit, okay? Okay, we have to render out the video real quick because I am recording on my phone, but we're gonna look so we can do like a live view of what we have right here. Yeah, so we're gonna do, it's a little bit of low right now, but I'm gonna post more on the fit page. I feel weird about going outside and taking a picture, man. I haven't gotten past that like uncomfortable zone yet. Like, I want to take pictures outside, take cool ones, but then I also feel weird like taking pictures outside with people watching, you know. I already feel weird when like you're facing you have a parked car, right? You're facing this way. There's like traffic, not like an ongoing car going this way. I already feel weird just looking at the other car, so I kind of just look down. And so like imagine me trying to take a picture in public. It don't work out like that. But I'm gonna try to be you know, break the barrier this year and try to work things out. But yeah, hopefully more things on the fit page. I've been saying I do want more fits, but I should start getting to it like Doja Cat, you know. So, oh, it's not recording. Shit. Okay, finished rendering. Okay, so we're back in program right here. We have to figure out how to actually live view it and edit at the same time. So first outfit we got right here is a dad cozy vibe with the 992 Jounds. So the 992s pop in, super popular, like a shoe model. Goes great with a lot of things. I decided to pair it up with like a little bit of more casual pants and like a crew neck sweater. Give it off that like dad vibe, you know, give it off that like what's home for dinner, wife, you know, that thing. So I thought it was a clean look with the beige pants as well. I feel like it would go great with like the, you know, regular gray New Balances. So let me just shimmy on out of there with that one. So that was a pretty clean fit, in my honest opinion. The 992 is a great shoe. Chunky, comfortable. And remember the size now with the 992s as well. You don't have to get the Jounds, okay? But I just thought it was a fire fit with like the beige and then with the brown. So let's go on into the next fit right here. Ooh, look at me, McGregor in there. And this is a fire fit. Honestly, I was looking back at this and this is a fire fit. I'm wearing the Dickies 874 in a brown colorway. I got them a little bit tapered by the tailor, and I'm wearing the new Varsity jacket that I got online, the Icefire Ordinary Life. I'm wearing a Uniqlo tucked in tee. I felt like it goes great with the 550. The 550 has been hitting real hard this year, and it just goes right with a lot of outfits. I'm wearing the gray one, and it's pretty clean fit. I'm not gonna lie. Hopefully my belly's not showing in the clip, but yeah, that's a pretty clean fit in my opinion. Ooh, watch me glide in there. Ooh, okay. So, yes, as I was saying, the 550 is a very popular model right now. It just has like a classy vibe with it, so I decided to pair it like with this old school high school jock look a little bit, because like it fits with the shoe very well. I feel like it's a little bit more classy, a little bit more like streetwear. So when I decided to put this on, I thought it was a really clean fit. I looked in the closet like, oh man. So that was the second fit actually of the 550s. Oh yeah, third outfit we have right here. And let me just roll in the frame, and I decided to wear the 2002 R's in the protection pack Raincloud colorway. I decided to dress them up a little with a cardigan and some Carhartt double knee pants with just a regular Uniqlo tee. Super fire fit, honestly. It's super simple. Dress up a little bit more on the menswear route. I feel this is a dope dope look. So you don't have to get the hype model that I have. You get the regular ones, they're dope as well. So I thought it was a clean fit, and yeah, that's the 2002R. And let me talk about the 2002R real quick. It's just a very hype model right now. I feel like New Balance is pushing the 2002R in 2022. So make sure you grab yourself a pair. Like there's some clean colorways, like a green one and like this blue one. And yeah, look out for the 2002R because it's coming up in 2022. And the next outfit we got here is the New Balance 993s, and I decided to pair with some Uniqlo lounge pants, like easy ankle pants, the CPFM and the human made cherry tee with just like a regular Russell zip up blank. I feel like it's a cozy vibes, you know, the cozy vibe. When you're wearing the 993s, you're not doing jack anything, right? You just chilling, you just getting groceries, you just getting gas. But this is a clean fit. You want to subtle flex with your shirt a little bit. You don't have to wear this. Honestly, I was looking back, I was probably just gonna wear a Uniqlo white tee or something. So this is a clean fit in my opinion. Super cozy, super comfy. And then the 993s is also getting pushed this year as well, because the 993 is the next runner-up from the 992, and it's a clean look. Like it's not as bulky as the 992, but it's still a clean shoe in my opinion. So right here, we're gonna go to the next outfit once it gets into a frame. This is the fourth outfit we got right here, and this I'm styling the 990 V4s, and this specific colorway is the JJJJound Midnight Navy colorway. And I decided to wear these pants made by this Japanese guy. This Varsity jacket I got on the thrift store, all black, and I decided to pair it with this Paul McCartney vintage tee. Honestly, I should have went back and just wore like a black tee or something. I think all black fit is super underrated right now, and it's just a clean look. Make sure to like put like all black outfit wherever you want, once in your wardrobe. And I'm looking back at this outfit, I was like, dude, this is clean. I love it. Clean fit, super simple, and yeah, man, that's how I would pair like the 990 V4s in the all black colorway. If it's a different colorway, obviously adds a little bit of light to color. So yeah, that is the final outfit I had right there. I think that was the fifth and final, not fourth and final. And honestly, it's pretty clean colorways, pretty clean shoes. I like all these models, to be honest. I wish I had like the 990 V5s, but I decided to just pile on a video of like 5 outfits for 5 different models. Hope you guys liked the video. Make sure to comment what your favorite outfit is on the bottom, what your least favorite, because I kind of want to know. And yeah, or unless there's no least favorite and you just like all of them and you just like me as a person, because that makes you feel good inside. Okay, all right, peace out, and that's the end of the video. Okay, woo.